What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video, man. Another banger, because that's all I put out. But I'm not gonna lie, y'all.
Fuck you, I'm out.
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. These niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in, no, sir. I gotta watch my tempo. Stepper, only stepping for a track. Stepper, gotta step on niggas' neck. BBS, my diamonds getting all the bitches.
I'm just be straight up with the first like 2-3 minutes of the video, man. Obviously you guys can tell that I've taken a little break, about like a week off from posting on YouTube. I have a good reason why. So as us YouTubers, well, yeah, pretty much you can call me a YouTuber now, YouTuber, influencer, or whatever you want to call me like that. Sometimes you have to take a little break, so that way, like your mental doesn't drain you. So that way you don't go burn out on content. I honestly have, look, even though I did stop on YouTube, I did not stop the grind though. The whole 2 weeks I've actually have been working on ways on building my own business. So that means, as in, like, I've been trying to find new ways to either obviously go make some more money, but it's not about that. It's about helping others. So I came up with two ideas, which I really think would be a good thing to do, man. So stay tuned for that. I will be telling you guys. Now, you know what? I'm gonna tell you right now, man. I've been gone for too long, and I miss YouTube and I miss talking to y'all. So I'm gonna tell y'all. So one idea that I'm currently working on is actually I'm coming up with a class on teaching the people who want help, bring like that, on pretty much how I take on how I shoot my pictures, video, how to get gigs, how do I edit, because I've been getting a whole lot of requests on that. So that's what I'm actually working right now. I'm working on building a class, so that way I can go give y'all the resources and the knowledge that you may not know, or you know, but you just want some more knowledge on pretty much just how to grow your production and stuff like that, man. So that's what I'm working on right now. Because you know what, man, I actually have like 3 videos. I haven't even edited because I literally just wanted to take a full complete break, man. A full complete break from YouTube, like not even like think about it, so I can come back fresh, happy and all that, man. But yeah, behind the scenes, I've been working a whole lot of stuff. I look good, feel good. I've been eating a whole lot better. I barely eat out anymore. I'm still strictly on a pressed juicery diet. So yeah, man, I feel good. You probably see with the shirt on, man, I look a little buff. You feel me? But yeah, we still in the Honda.
Chase on the track.
Look what I found, man. I seen this is a dope little spot. It's in LA. It's pretty much in downtown. The whole outside is covered in graffiti. Got all over there. You got all over here. This spot is actually dope. I always pass by this place, but I had time today, so I stopped by the place right now. Obviously, you can tell I'm on the gimbal still. I don't feel like having a take off the camera off the gimbal and do all that, man. But yeah, as you can see by the title and thumbnail, man, you already know what's going on. you already know what I am doing to the Honda. But let me give you a little rundown on why I'm doing this exactly. So, if you follow me on Instagram, you guys know pretty much why. But if you don't already, go follow my Instagram at @swaymedia_. But currently, I retuned my car, so I'm no longer running the Stage 2 tune. So I'm no longer racing people. It's from here on out, it's only show car, and yeah, it's pretty much it's just show car from here on out, because I'm about to get a wrap. As soon as organic wrap is done and his wraith is back, the Honda, aka Ghost, aka the shitty Honda, is going straight to Vegas, baby. It's going straight to Vegas right when his wraith is done, and it's pretty much done. So you already know what that means. Wrap is coming very, very soon, y'all. But before I get off topic again, I'm no longer running a Stage 2 tune. I retuned my car, so I'm currently running a Cracks and Burbles tune I did on the Honda. So it crackles and burbles a whole lot, but I still have my stock cats and downpipe. So the only way to do it is be catless and get catless downpipes done to your car. Yeah, before all you guys be like, oh, you're racing your car. Shut up, first of all, shut up. If it's not your car, don't worry about it, unless it asks you. But I like taking in as much input as I can, because the Honda world, the JDM world is new to me. So I definitely love a lot of feedback on what I'm doing, most definitely. But yeah, the only way I can spit flames with my tune, get super loud crackles and pops, is if I do this. So yeah, today I went to a full blown right now. It may seem like I'm at a goddamn junkyard, but yeah, I'm just parked in the back right now. My car is absolutely filthy as hell. But yeah, I went to full blown today to go and get done, and they recommend they told me their guy Stu can do it. I was trying to go to my exhaust shop, but he's booked up the ass, and I'm impatient. I don't want to wait no weeks, so I gotta get done ASAP. So this is where I'm at today. Hopefully we can get it done. The shop's all the way up there, but the owner was like, oh, it's 2 cars ahead of you. 1 car is already done. The other car is in there. So yeah, man, hopefully I can get done today. That's a loud ass bike, but yeah, hopefully I can get it done today, because my car is definitely quiet. Well, it's not quiet, but it's quiet when it comes down to the burbling and the crackling. Because when the tune I'm running now, it crackles for about a good like 8-10 seconds until I go below like 1500 RPMs, which is pretty like low. So yeah, once it's fully loud and all that, man, I might like it. But if it's too loud, I'm definitely putting this thing back to how it was before, because I'm not trying to get pulled over as it is, because cops now are definitely starting to target me in downtown LA. So I don't want to be that one Honda owner that gets pulled over for everything, because I already know once like this wrap done and the full new look done, oh man, the cops is going to know my car, because I'm always driving on Fig, and my problem is I like messing with cops. I should stop that. Well, y'all, it's night time now, so obviously y'all know this video is I don't know. It was a dud. It wasn't their fault, but it wasn't like my fault either. They just the way I don't know how to explain it, but the way the pipe you twist on whatever onto my cat I have now, they have a whole lot of like fittings, but for some reason for my car the fitting is like a little weird. So they didn't just want to go just cut off my cat and do like a Mickey Mouse job, even though that was like my other option. But that's respectable. That shows you that their shop is like they're not just money hungry for just money. So yeah, if you are in Southern California and have a catless downpipe. I don't want catted, because if I wanted a catted downpipe, I might as well keep the cats I have on now. So yeah, if you have a catless downpipe, please, let me know. I need this done ASAP, like within the next 2 days, because I'm actually flying out. You'll see why in the next video, or video after that, I don't know. Yeah, so please, DM me ASAP, man. But right now, I'm about to go in the crib. I just got some artwork in by the one and only, the real Icon. And shout out to him. He hooked me up with two, not one but two paintings. He told me he sent me a care package. A few days later, I got it in the mail. Open it up. Oh man, I was like, damn, the motherfucker's hard, man. So I'm going to the crib. I'm gonna show y'all the paintings. And since now my paintings are here, I can actually give y'all the goddamn apartment tour, because man, that's literally probably the only thing I was waiting on is my paintings. Still waiting on my freaking my TV stand. I don't know why that's not here yet. I was waiting on my TV stand, my paintings, and a rug. I bought the rug, and my paintings are here. So I might as well just give y'all it anyway without the freaking the TV stand, because yeah, I just want to be the way it fills in the empty space. But yeah, I'm going to the crib and show y'all the paintings and maybe a little sneak peek of the crib. But yeah, more so the paintings, so I'll catch y'all when I get inside the crib. Alright, y'all, we just got back in the crib. As you can see, I'm watching a good old Jensen RP to his Hellcat. But shout out to him though. He definitely is one of the goats of swinging and drifting. Mainly drifting the goddamn Hellcat. Everybody go to his IG and tell him we need to link up ASAP. Me, him, and Swaggy has to link up ASAP. But yeah, as I said, I'm gonna show y'all the full apartment tour soon. But I'm here to show y'all the two paintings that Duro Icon they gave me, man. So let me show y'all the two paintings, because man, they both is probably my favorite, but the one on the left is for sure my favorite. So we got the good old King James and the Black Mama right there. But the thing is, though, man, do y'all see the detail though? You see that motherfucking tear right there? God, they didn't see the motherfucking confetti. All that, man. This right there, that's crazy. And then we've come over here. I'm telling you, man, the detail in this is something crazy. But God, they see the bandana detail. Like, God damn, that's 24 motherfucking carats on the ears right there. The chain, the back tat. Oh yeah, you can't forget the small details too, with the sun. That's prolific right there. I didn't catch that when I first got it, but then when I first actually looked at it, seen that shit hard. But yeah, shout out to Duro Icon, man, for that. Cause man, Lord knows I needed art, cause the only art I really have is the booty right here. Only got the booty, and I have my my smaller canvases all around the crib. But yeah, these two were a much need, and I'm definitely about to order more because I need some in the bathroom, the kitchen, everywhere. But yeah, I think that's it for this video though, man. I'm out of breath. I need to work out. Actually, I'm gonna start once I get back from the trip. I'm gonna tell you about the next video. I'm actually working out. So yeah, this finished in the video. I hope y'all liked the video. Stay tuned. I'm tired. Come back with a bang, man. I'm coming back to YouTube with the bang, man. So I'll catch y'all in the next video.
Fuck you, I'm out. I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 Kia with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. These niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in, no, sir. I gotta watch my tempo. Step a step a step.